It's never good to have gum disease, but if you do have gum disease, it is very treatable. It can be treated with very mild treatments, like just a cleaning. Sometimes we have to clean a little bit deeper and we actually clean the root surfaces of your teeth off. That's called a deep cleaning or scaling and root planing. For moderate gum disease, we may be looking at what we call a deep cleaning. If gum disease is pretty advanced and you've already lost a lot of bone and the bad bacteria has taken hold, we may be looking at some surgical treatment options where we have to reset the gum position and make it to where you can clean the gums and get rid of the deep pockets that hold bacteria. But hopefully, if you have gum disease, we can catch it early. I want to stress that catching it early is the most important thing that we can do. If you think you might have gum disease, it's very important that we take care of it as soon as possible. Don't wait, please give us a call.